इधर रुको भाई आप इधर रुको। बीड़ी थोड़ा इधर, पीछे से हट जाओ सब लोग भाई।
वरुण थोड़ा यहाँ पे
राइट साइड, वरुण यहाँ पे एकदम सामने। ए भाई पीछे से हट जाओ पीछे से। बीड़ी
वरुण यहाँ पे देखा नहीं।
बीड़ी एक मिनट एकदम सामने बीड़ी। हाँ बाद में करते अपन काम।
वरुण यहाँ पे
काला भाई एक मिनट रुको, अभी नहीं बाद में करते। रुको उमेश ले रहा है ना।
ए जा
अरे वो कर भी चिल्ला मत यार। वरुण भाई हम लोग के ऊपर आ जाओ चलो साइड थिएटर फर्स्ट फिल्म नेक्स्ट फाइट आप शो तक गो इनसाइड
अभी से क्या ये कैप्चर करना है? चलो कवर करेंगे थोड़ा उसके जाएंगे।
Guys move. अरे यार साइड हो जाओ ना। साइड में आ जाओ।
I would request all my friends from the place move back a little bit because we have a small segment. And we got to tell you, well, before I ask you a question, if you guys like, you know, I have to say this, man. This is one of the most incredible performances that I have seen. It's a very serious movie, but and it's very different from some of the big, the fun stuff that you would normally do. How was your experience? Dan, for all these months that you've shot this movie?
First of all, I just want to say honestly, thank you so much for coming out and supporting the film and giving it love. You know, I'm very, very aware that y'all are very used to seeing me in a certain way, always seeing me upbeat, always seeing me happy in comedy films. And while I love making all of you laugh and entertaining y'all, and I will keep doing that. October comes from an extremely special place from my heart. Because as my career forwarded, I just felt that I started becoming more selfish. And not only me, I think that happens in life, you know. We stopped spending time with each other, we stopped listening to each other. So, and now that the film is out, I can finally say, you know, life is so unpredictable, yaar. We don't know when we might lose someone who's close to us. We never know kab, kaha, kuch ho jaye to a loved one. And it's so important to give people that time. Know what your priority is in life. Your priority is not to send a WhatsApp message or emoticon. You know, that is not love or that is not care. Because after a person is gone, you're not going to remember a WhatsApp message. That memory of theirs has to be in your head, in your heart. So, and being selfless is another power. I'm not saying I'm selfless. I'm not trying to be preachy. Dan is a character I have played. He probably doesn't exist. But I truly believe that there is a Dan in me, there's a Dan in all of you all, there's a Dan in the media. We all had that in us. And as the world has progressed, we've somewhere let go of that. Let's not lose that. Let's not use the human in human being. Let's keep that alive, guys. So that's why October.
That's phenomenal. The entire movie revolves around the fact that your friend Shuli in the film, she falls off the third floor and down and enjoys herself. And the way that happened was shown in such a simple way. There was no dramatic twist and turn to that. It's just something that can happen to absolutely anyone. Is there a message you want to give fans and friends who like to celebrate, who like to have parties, but I think it's important to do it responsibly, safely with your friends?
See, this is actually, the film is actually based on a real event that happened in Delhi. We never gave out any details because Sujit da ka wo style nahi hai. He didn't want to play off publicity for that. But today, I can say when the film is out like that it happens. You know, we all party on rooftops, we all spend time with friends, we have a good time. Anything can happen. But like I said, you don't stop living your life, you live your life. But what's important is that it's important to just be with each other, it's important to spend time with each other. And actually, when someone, it teaches people about life and death, I think, the film, you know, how to deal with life and death. And I know it's a bit, people don't like to talk about it, and हमको theater में आके मजा करना है, ये करना है. And I just feel कि अगर मैं film कर रहा हूँ, तो मैंने सबको जो good part of life उसके बारे में तो दिखा दिया. But the truth of life, this is the absolute truth. I feel October is the truth of life. Life is always not going to be rosy, so it's important to see that. So see it with your girlfriend, see it with your boyfriend, see it with your parents.
But definitely watch the movie. Tell all your friends who you saw. I mean, that the fact that you seen the movie here today. Tell them all. Go to the theater and watch this film because this is a slice of life which you need to see.
You know, actually, I remember something. If all of you, थोड़ा सा नीचे हो जाओ. Please, एक second. आप like थोड़ा सा. Actually, I remember this feeling मेरे लिए. मैं तारे ज़मीन पर देखने आया था. In this theater only, I remember I was sitting behind over there. And Amir Khan had come into the theater that time and he did this thing where he spoke to the audience. And I was just, obviously because I love Tare Zameen Par, and I was just filled with so much, so many things I wanted to ask him and this and that. But he spoke to the audience. I actually want to know what you guys mean, and by that I don't mean that please praise the film or praise me. You can like say whatever you want about the film, but I haven't had an interview, because what actually matters is you guys. I mean, we are getting all the stars and we are getting all the love, but for me, if you ask me what matters is you. So if you can get the mic to some people in the audience and just ask them what they feel.
You know what, we definitely do that. One final thing I want to ask you on behalf of everyone is, as Dan, you work in a hotel and you have to do a whole bunch of different things. On a slightly lighter note, what was the most annoying thing to do and what was the most enjoyable thing to do?
So cleaning a toilet is not easy.
I can imagine.
Cleaning a toilet is really not easy क्योंकि वो बहुत ही self pride को बहुत मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ वो मजा नहीं आता वो करके.
And the fun part?
After you clean a toilet, thank you. But after you clean a toilet, फिर laundry करने में बहुत मजा आता है.
Alright, listen, we'll do what he just said. So I know I can't reach all the way back. So I'm going to ask some of the fans who are up here. Let's ask some of the... you guys were all here in the theater and watched the movie. Alright. Who is Muskan? Where do we have Muskan? Okay, before we reach Muskan, let me ask... she looks like one of your youngest fans here. Did you like the movie? This was something different. Varun Dhawan आपको ऐसे नहीं मिलता. Did you enjoy the movie? Did you like Varun Dhawan? Say something nice to him, except for yes. That is cute. One person this
I think let's get. Okay, ask.
Tell me, did you enjoy the movie and what did you like about it?
Ask me whatever you want.
He's my biggest fan.
No. He's your biggest fan. No, what did you like about October?
Varun Dhawan. I've only seen him throughout the movie. I've only come just to see you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you want to see you, Varun.
Okay, anyone who wants to ask a question.
Okay, yeah, let's ask her. Yeah, give me your question.
Pass the mic.
Pass them. Shout out.
Sir, emotion superb.
Thank you.
The mic just...
Hello, hi.
Hi, Shreya.
I'm Karishma.
Hi, Karishma.
So yeah, I just want to ask that what made you, like when you were crying, when she was dying or whatsoever, like when you were crying, what were you thinking of? Like I really want to know that because the point is, at the end of the movie, that's when I started crying. Like it was like the entire impact that I got at the end of the movie when I started crying, and it was beautiful.
You know, obviously the loss that Dan suffers is insane, and I can't say it in words, but you know, when I'm saying it like it really happened, because for me it really happened. I did not know what was going to happen to Shirley till 3 hours before.
So you were not told about the end of the script?
I knew it's going to go somewhere, but Sujita and Juhi didn't tell me exactly कि कैसे होने वाला है, कब होने वाला है.
Wow.
And so when I entered the room, when I see Tiva, who's Shuli's sister, I see her crying, and I see Shuli's mother crying. I still remember that. It was so haunting. Because जब वो लोग, it was a single shot. I walk and I go in and I see her on the bed lying. So when I saw them crying, I forgot my own pain, because what can be more hurtful than a mother losing a daughter? Yeah? I mean, I don't think so. Any mother gives birth to a child thinking that the child will go away before them. So that, I mean, anytime I would see the mother and Shuli together, that, I mean, I would forget my own pain. I would forget my own, what I am, whether I'm a hero in the film or whatever. I just felt that I want to make this lady smile somehow. I want to make Shuli smile somehow. And Vanita is so brilliant in the film. It's such a selfless performance. I mean, I give her so much credit for my performance. So I think I actually started thinking about the family, and I started thinking about my family. I just felt that if tomorrow something like that happened and my mom had to go through this.
Nothing shall happen to you, Varun.
We all are with you.
All your blessings, all your blessings. One final question: how was it feeling? How did it feel to work with Sujit Sarkar? He's a phenomenal.
I think there's nothing to say. He's one of the best filmmakers.
One of the best filmmakers in
and I think his craft speaks for himself. I mean, he's always trying to make different films, and October is just another gem from him. Yeah.
Why name October and release in April?
Why
Why?
Okay, we released in April because that was the only. So basically, at that point, Padmavat, Padman, all the film dates were going up and down. So
And why name October?
Why name October? Because the Shivli flower hota hai, the night jasmine, it blossoms at that time in October, in that month that you really see it, and it falls during that period. So that's why we called it, and she's named after that flower. So that's why it's very significant during the time. We also happened to shoot the film in October. The entire film is shot in October.
Okay, listen, wait, listen. We try to do more questions. Before that, we want to launch the official Bollycon Varun Dhawan fan club. And this is to certify that Ms. Muskan Kasmani is now the president of the Bollycon Varun Dhawan fan club.
Is there any other questions I actually want to ask some people in the back? If you
Can I
can.
say something, Varun?
Please.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I'm very big fan of Thank you. I watched like the movies from Sorry till Judwa 2. And I watched this movie, I watched the trailer of this movie, and it's comparatively related to my life. And because my ex-girlfriend went through this phase, and recently she just passed away. So I really thank you for bringing up this story, and it really overwhelmed me completely.
I think that's the beauty of this film. That somewhere, कहीं ना कहीं सबके साथ ये हुआ है. We all have stories with hospitals. Chacha, Chachi, Nana, Nani. कहीं ना कहीं we all visited hospitals. And it's a very personal thing क्योंकि हम लोग उसके बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहते. But Sujit Sarkar has also had something very personal happen to him. That's why he made this film. That I'll let him reveal why.
Very, very talented kids from an NGO called Divyang Kala. Can we have them now here? Guys, now don't move ahead. Please come. Guys, please, come.
भाई थोड़ा जाना आगे, उधर से जाना, उधर से जा. अरे गिर गया था, बैलेंस आउट हो गया. बैलेंस है भाई, उठ जाओ अभी, पीछे धक्का आ रहा है. बीच में आ गया, अच्छा बैठा था मैं. सर हम लोग भी अरे भाई तुम लोग मेरा बैग है उधर क्या करो क्या मत नीचे आना अरे क्या इसकी फैन साइड साइड सर साइड स्लो दादा दादा साइड 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 प्लीज साइड मैन प्लीज साइड पीछे सर प्लीज यार पीछे आना यार वीडियो दे रहा तू अरे भाई चले ना प्लीज लो
Thank you, everyone. And finally, we have 4 winners. Where is Kenneth? Can we get our winners quickly?
Yes.
We want to get our winners and take a picture.
हमारा एक मानना मैं जाऊँ आगे.
There's a screening that's going to happen right after this, so we don't have too much time. Let's just go.
ये देगा गोल तो कितना चांस था ये निकला है दोस्त मेरा जाओ क्या मेरा जाओ क्या Oh my God!
All right, listen, everybody. Please step behind.
Please.
Varun sir,
Thank you so much, Varun sir. Please, guys.
Are you ready?
Guys, please. जल्दी अरे